Hey everyone, and happy new week. So always good to start with a little bit of a dance. I have been like sitting inside the most of the week and have been doing some work. So now I need to take a walk, and I would like you to follow with me when I'm walking around here at beautiful Gärdet in Stockholm, Sweden. You can see behind me we have something called Kaknästornet for the television and the radio, like the master source of the radio and TV. I really like to walk around Gärdet because it's like the biggest open green area in like the central part of Stockholm. So it's really beautiful, and I'm really I'm really grateful because it takes like 5 minutes for me to go down here, so it's wonderful. Little tip: if you go in like this, then you need to be careful, because otherwise you will step in some it's a really nice place up there, and they even have a restaurant up there. So if you want to go high up and see the view of Stockholm, you should definitely go up there. I think it's worth it. I am a little bit disappointed because I don't see any horses. It's like, where are the horses? They are not here. Like such a beautiful weather, and should just enjoy it before the dark and the coldness will come soon here in Sweden, because we all know that it's really cold and dark here in Sweden, but we appreciate it also. Hey everyone, first of all I want to say thank you so much for giving me all this love and encouraging positive feedback that I've been given for the first vlog. So I want to say thank you so much for that. I really appreciate it, and I think it was a lot of fun doing it, and I get more and more confidence. I think it's so nice. Glad I can do something good. But as you can see here in the Gärdet video, it was a little bit out of focus. I had a dead cat going in the camera. So yeah, I have a little bit of working on, but I'm thinking I'm going in the right way. And now I'm gonna go and eat some pasta with beans and cheese. And then I'm gonna go to play a little bit of disc golf. And I think it's gonna be fun. I'm gonna go and play again with Daniel and Oscar and Daniel's friend as well. I will have a little short coverage of that, and I hope you enjoy it. So now I have my friends over here. I'm gonna introduce you to them soon. So yeah, let's go out and play and have some fun as always. So yeah, let's spin over and do some warm-up, because warm-up is always the best thing to do, according to Oscar.
Yes, it is.
Yes, so let's go and do some warm-up. Now we are getting ready to play the first hole, and I hope you're excited, because I think it's going to be a lot of fun, and it's going to be a lot of throwing discs in the tree.
Oh, nej!
Strictly in the trees, so yeah, let's go. Woo!
Look at this amazing shot.
Wait, look at this. This is amazing. Look.
Oh my shit. Okej, men du kommer upp i alla fall. Nej! Nej!
So, Oscar, how dramatic did it get? On a scale of 1 to 10.
11. I would say 11.
It's like the death shot.
Yeah.
So the first round is done. I didn't play that well. I was just focusing on getting good material to the vlog. So yeah, it was just nice to have a good drives. My putting game was like really but it can only get better. So now we're gonna have some what we call in Sweden kexchoklad, and gonna find, and then we'll hit round number 2. So if you like this, please subscribe, share, and
Tell your loved ones.